Hey guys, hello and welcome to Mad. So in this video I thought to make a brush using Infinite Painter app. At first, let's draw the brush head. If you ever checked my previous videos, you may know how to make a brush as I have made so many brushes earlier. You can find the link to download those brushes in the video's description box. Go and check my videos and get the brush link. You can download and edit the brushes for free. In this video, I make the brush in the same earlier process. So let's create the brush and use it like you want. I will attach the brush link in the description box. You can download the brush from there. If you find my video is supportive, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification. Like the video, share it, and hey, don't forget to comment about your experience on digital art. Thank you, stay healthy. See you in the next video.